Welcome back to Better Health, Wellness and Fitness. In today's video, we'll be sharing 5 hacks to make your period suck less. From cramps to mood swings, we've all been there, but fear not, because we've got some tricks up our sleeve to help you out. Before we bloat into the details, take a quick second to hit the like button and subscribe. Our mission is to provide the best health, wellness and fitness content to our viewers worldwide. Thank you for your support. Let's face it, periods can be a real pain, literally. Cramps, bloating, mood swings, and the inconvenience of having to deal with it all while trying to go about your daily life. It's a challenge that many of us face every month, but it doesn't have to be so unbearable. So, what is a menstrual cycle by definition? The menstrual cycle is a natural process that occurs in the female reproductive system. It is a monthly cycle of changes that a woman's body goes through to prepare for a possible pregnancy. The cycle is typically about 28 days long, but it can range from 21 to 35 days. The menstrual cycle is divided into several phases. Number 1. Menstrual phase. This is when menstruation, the period, occurs, lasting from 3 to 7 days. The lining of the uterus is shed and exits the body through the vagina. Number 2. Follicular phase. This phase starts on the first day of menstruation and ends with ovulation. The pituitary gland releases follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, which stimulates the ovaries to produce follicles. Each follicle contains an egg. This phase usually lasts around 14 days. Number 3. Ovulation. Around the middle of the cycle, a surge in luteinizing hormone, LH, causes the release of a mature egg from one of the ovaries. This is the time when a woman is most fertile. Number 4. Luteal phase. After ovulation, the empty follicle transforms into the corpus luteum, which secretes progesterone. Progesterone thickens the uterine lining in preparation for a possible pregnancy. If the egg is not fertilized, the corpus luteum breaks down, leading to a drop in progesterone levels, and the cycle begins again with menstruation. Now that we have gone over the menstrual cycle definition and phases, let's dive into these hacks. Number 1. Maintain a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help manage menstrual symptoms. Foods high in calcium, such as dairy products, and those rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like fish and flax seeds, can reduce cramps and inflammation. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help prevent bloating and reduce the severity of menstrual cramps. Herbal teas, like chamomile and peppermint, can also provide relief from cramps and soothe the digestive system. Number 3. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can improve overall health and reduce menstrual discomfort. Light exercises like walking, yoga, and stretching can help relieve cramps and boost mood by releasing endorphins. Number 4. Use heat therapy. Applying a heating pad or hot water bottle to the lower abdomen can relax the muscles of the uterus, reducing cramps and discomfort. Warm baths can also provide similar relief. Number 5. Practice stress management. Stress can exacerbate menstrual symptoms. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness can help manage stress. Getting enough sleep and practicing relaxation techniques can also improve overall well-being and reduce menstrual pain. These 5 hacks can truly transform your period experience. From managing cramps to balancing your mood, each tip plays a key role in making your period more bearable. So, give them a try and see the difference they can make in your monthly cycle. We hope you found these hacks helpful. If you have any tips of your own or want to share your experience, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the video on the left for more content on women's health and wellness. Until next time, take care and remember, your period doesn't have to suck.